Alright, so we are looking at how to mirror the weights. So what we need to do is we need to change the mirror plane, which was in X, and make it Y. Okay, so what we will do is we will select all these. Oops, from the bottom we'll select all these, and now we will mirror paste, and then they will be pasted on this side. So we'll turn the mirror mode off, and then now we'll check if it is done. If you go to weights table, these are 1, which is correct. Select these are 0.4 and 0.6, so all even numbers, which means they have been all transferred. Okay, so now our work is done with skinning. Now we need to check if it is looking nice, so we will go to shading mode, and then we'll check this leg. Okay, so now all our animation looks good. Okay, all the modifications are happening correctly. Is there some issue here? There sure is. What happened there? Okay, that issue is here also. So we'll select these two. These two should be having the 7 and 1. So it has to go to only 2 of these. 1. Okay, so I'll select this. This should be ankle 1. And so I will select this so I know where it belongs, and then we will have to weight it to the right place. Okay, so there was a mistake there which was fixed. Okay, so we can also open the mesh mode, save your file of course, so anything, you don't want any crashes. Okay, and then what we can do is you go here and then say cat bones, and then you select, and only the cat bones will be selected. The character will not be selected, and then you can right click and say hide selection, so you can just see the character now and see if there are any things that doesn't look nice. Okay, so everything looks nice. Now here this doesn't look right. The volume of that area is becoming small when we scale, and I did that on purpose. What we'll do is all, unhide all. Let us hide this again, and we will go to this view here. Okay, and then let us look at these vertices. Come on, I need to, it is all. Why am I not able to select the character? Is it frozen? Unfreeze all. Am I in the file save? Why am I not able to select the character? Okay, envelope, and we're going to look at these points. Okay, so these weights, left leg 1, right leg, oh not these ones, these ones. We will make these 1 1 and these, what about 0.9, 0.9, 0.1 here, 0.1 and 0.9 and 0.9. Okay, so what is happening is they are keeping their volume, or 0.2, 0.2. So as you increase this, the volume becomes less and less. Hide selection, and then you get a more realistic bend there. Okay, even though it goes inside, that bend looks good. Okay, so when you are animating and if you think some weights are off, then you can work on those. We can also look at how the toe bends. So if you look at this one and rotate this, okay, so this doesn't look right, so we can work on those weights also. Hide that and envelope what is happening here with the weights. It is 0.7, should it be 0.8? Nope, it should be less. 0.5, 0.5. What about these? This number should be greater or smaller? Smaller. 0.5, 0.5. Yes, so we are just trying to make that look better. So 0.7, 0.3, 0.3, maybe 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Okay, so we are trying to I didn't animate that, so trying to see what looks good. Okay, so you can work on these numbers to see what looks nice. We need to change all of these at one go, so we'll select all and then try 0.2 or 0.1. Okay, and then these 0.1. Okay, so that looks good. Save it. We'll have to rotate it back where it was. we go to 0, we will know what that angle was. Try to align it there. Okay, so that looks good. So we can actually go to motion panel, that is on, so auto key on. We'll rotate that at 10 and make sure that we are happy there. Okay, that looks much better. Maybe this could have been little even further back, so we get more of a bulge here. So we need to copy this to the other side. Okay, so again we will do the same thing. We will select these, go to turn this off, go to mirror, we worked on these, and mirror paste on the other side. And to make sure if it is working fine, we'll rotate this and see if it does the same thing, and it does. Okay, so that's it. Now next class we will look at the texture mapping of the character.